Alright, so here is the iPhone XS Max in the new gold color. See the back? It kind of looks like a giant iPhone 10. Let's take a look around the sides here. You've got your typical volume up and down, plus a little silent rocker at the top with your Face ID stuff. On this side, you've got your big Siri side button. At the bottom, you've got your typical. Oh wow! Actually, there's a couple less little speaker holes on the left there. And you've got your camera here. Now let me just show you this real quick. This is a new feature on the camera. So here's a picture that was taken where you can readjust the depth. So let's see here. How about that one? And watch this. Watch that background. Boom. So adjust it after you take it. That's pretty cool. I'm doing this all one-handed, so it's very dangerous. That looks great. No, it's fine. Thank you. Oh, look at this phone is already out of Instagram time for the day. Uh-oh. All right, there you have it. I've got it all messed up. Can you shine that up? Do you have a little shiner? I've already messed it up. Here, I'll hold it. There we go. I want you guys to see the beauty that is this device because there we go. So much better. There you have it. Nice big screen. You don't have your regular iPhone here, do you?
I do.
Can we just see? Can I just see it side to side? Justine here.
Hello, everybody.
Hi, Justine.
Okay.
You're just gonna put her regular iPhone next to it so we can see the size difference. So there's the iPhone 10. Oh, you have any? No, okay.
We'll just
iPhone 10 and then iPhone XS Max side by side. There's the back.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful. All right.